Okay, a very good afternoon here on the 2nd of October 2020. It's Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. And I am delighted to be here with you at the end of another profitable week here at Master of the Markets. We are net up 3.74% across both trading rooms. This week here at Master of the Markets, just quickly flicking through the live trading room journal, there are just too many trades to kind of go into, but you can see that if we start at the beginning, we're still running a short trade on Money Bars 2.0, which we've had running for 2 days now. And that is gone into a nice bit of profit just there. That's floating profit on that one. The liftoff 3.2, we have 3 trades which are running. Again, all in profit at this time on the liftoff 3.2, 20% OE system. The 70% OE taking 3 profitable trades of 1.54% this week just here. And the cash in 4.0 TSL price strategy also finishing the week net up again as well. You can see here 28th of September, 30th, 2nd, and 2nd were the close dates for these trades. I'm not counting this GBP USD in between because that closed out last week, but certainly for the trades that have closed this week from the 28th of September onwards, we're up again another 0.65% there on that particular strategy. A slight loss, I believe, for the cash in one day exit, but that I believe is totally natural because of what this strategy has given us over the last couple of weeks. Minus 0.23%. Even when we say slight loss, you see it's next to negligible. The the trade opportunity, the trade loss that's been taken on that. So 0.23% loss on that, giving the live trading room a total of 1.96% net profit. The elite room taking 1.78% of profit this week across various trades, including the Aussie dollar long as well. So 3.74% up once again this week. Let's take a look at a couple of trades that we took this week, including the profitable and the losing trades at this time. So you can see that one of the opportunities that we took, let's look at the dollar Swiss, we'll look at the Aussie dollar as well. So one of the trades that we took here on the dollar Swiss franc was, of course, as you know, on the confirmation bar. On the close of the confirmation bar, we shorted that and we have held that. So we have held that one. Slight loss on the TSL price strategy where we got taken out of the market earlier today, and a loss of 1% on the one-day exit strategies. We got taken out of the market on the initial stop by this buyer bar just here that followed. So a slight loss on the dollar Swiss this week. Taking a look at the Aussie dollar, again here we bought the market on the confirmation bar. This time this did not hit our initial stop loss on the cash in one-day exit. In fact, it went up and it went into a floating profit. We actually exited it just there and we took that money off the market. And that ended up as a net profit on the one-day exit for the Aussie dollar. And on the TSL Pry, again, we trailed our stop every day, and we took this money off the table when it hit the trailing stop loss. Today it's become a primary to the reverse side, and we're out of the market on the Aussie dollar short on this particular trade opportunity just here. So that is the idea. Just then, this is what we have done across the market. This is actually how it has evolved. So you can see again another profitable week of 3.74% net up for the total live trading room and the elite room as well. And this week's topic that I wanted to discuss with you is all around real trading stats. So let's talk about some of our real trading stats. And real trading stats we can just take from our real trade journal. I mean, this is a list of all the trades that we have taken on the cash in 4.0 one-day system, the cash in 4.0 one-day 4.0 TSL price strategy. So you can see we have taken 21 trades here for the month of, or let's see if we just look for the month of September, 17 trades that have opened and 16 trades that have opened and closed in the month of September just there. A couple of trades that are going into October. And again, same thing on the TSL, on the one-day exit strategy as well. You can see most of these trades, actually all of these trades here have closed, opened and closed in September itself. So 20 trades on the one-day exit strategy, opened and closed in September. And we can look at some of our real trade stats. What I want to show you is the P&L. I want to show you as well what the actual real reward risk as well is. And these are real trading stats, not projected trading stats, which you may see other people talking about through their own trading. No, these are real trading stats and for real profits, real losses that we've taken in the market over the month of September, which we're looking to continue on, of course, for October, November, December, and into 2021. 2021 as well. So join us on that. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the subscription button if you haven't already done that. Make sure you like this video, share it out with people who are looking for the solution to get their trading to be profitable. I mean, this is what we do here at Master the Markets. We build these trading models, we build these trading systems, and we're really passionate, we're really excited about them as well. So let's go forward. Let's go forward and take a look at some of these trading sets. Just before we do that, let's do a quick review of the market this week across some of the different pairs, some of the different currencies. Eurodollar, you can see consolidated for a while at the top of the market. And during this period of time, of course, the strategies such as the short-term cash-in strategies don't work as well. But then, of course, the market enters the net profit release phase, and the market starts to move. Profits start to be taken after manipulations have occurred in accumulation like this. We start to see profits being released. The market moves properly, and that's where really the smart money indicator strategies come into their own. And that's why we've been really heavily clocking some profits on the markets just here as well. And the thing to remember here, the truth of trading, of course, is that yes, we will go through other periods of accumulation as well, but we hold strong to our methodology, hold strong to our philosophy, and we continue to hold onto that just there. And that is very important. That is very, very important just there. So that's the idea. So good. Let's move on. So to the dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so we can see here again, not really too much, mirroring the euro US dollar accumulation here, bit of a profit release. We've seen a nice string of buyer bars all stack up, all in a row just here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buyer bars all stacking in one after another. 6 consecutive higher closes. Really nice to see, but quite low probability for that to happen. But nonetheless, we captured the move through the TSL price strategy when those outlier moves do happen. And that's very, very important just there as well. Let's look at the oil market. Oil, we're short on it in the cash-in 4.0 TSL price at the moment. We shorted the market yesterday, and we are seeing a continuation move to the downside. Silver, again here, you can see that the market is continuing to move just here, and you can see that the market is moving to the upside just here. We had a little bit of a retracement here on the silver market, and it looked as though some of these profit taking has taken place from this huge phase that we had here. Which is absolutely natural, and which we expect in the market. Again, we took the money off the table 2 weeks ago, really, on the silver market, on this particular bar here, because we shorted the market on this bar, and that's, again, thanks to the cash-in 4.0 strategy just there, taking in the big money, as we do here at Master the Markets. Let's take a look at the topic of the week, the real trading stats, which I'm really excited about showing you. And we'll use one of our trading strategies as an example. Yeah, let's use the cash-in 4.0 system one-day exit as a example. And the reason this is a great example for us is because what we have here is 20 trades that we've taken, all opened and closed in the month of September, and we can do some real analysis on the statistics. So one of the things that we'll be able to see at the bottom of this journal just here, so this is the live trading room journal, so that's why we call it the LTR journal. Just for those of you maybe newer to the channel, we call this the live trading room journal. It's called the LTR journal for that reason. It's transparently available in the cloud to all of our subscribers through the live trading room. They can see this being updated in real time. We update it every single day after the live trading room is over. You can see the actual trades that are being taken in real time on the markets on this particular trade journal just here. And this is giving us a log of the stats. So what I want to do is I want to compare these stats to the actual back-tested stats. And we can actually look to see how closely we're getting, how close are we getting to the actual statistics from the historical testing. So let's take a quick look at that, and we can have a look to see what the back-tested stats look like. So what you are looking at on the screen is a results table of the cash-in 4.0 one-day exit strategy that we are currently trading at the moment. We are currently trading this variation of the trading strategy, and if you look carefully, you'll see that the reliability is 47.98%, and it gives a yield of roughly 12% upside per year. So that should be a minimum of giving us at least 2% per month on a net upside basis. So let's take a look at September, and we can have a look at some of the real statistics. You can see we are roughly in line with the reliability, giving us a 55% overall reliability. A huge net profit this month of 5.74%, so well outside of where we expect to be. But remember, there'll be fluctuations during the year. Okay, and the actual reward risk ratio, what's real is that this is definitely making average profit of 1.18 to 0.8. So this is actually giving us real reward risk ratio of 1.47 to 1. Okay, 1.47 to 1 is where we actually are. This is what this is really giving us in the real world. So this is not a projected reward risk ratio, but this is actually the real trading statistics that we have acquired from this month's trading. Now we'll roll it out into October as well. We'll see these stats. They'll hold or they'll get better. We may have a losing month in October. We need to be prepared for that because remember, this is going to balance the end of the year. We're looking for, and some years, remember, are going to be completely massive. So it may be that October, November, December are completely huge months. Then we may have a slower year next year. It could be anything, but we need to hold, and that's what the truth of trading is all about, and that's what real trading statistics are all about as well. So these are some of the numbers we've acquired. We're very excited about this. We're going to continue to roll this out through our live trading rooms, and I look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.